ফুল করে দাও। নর্মাল তো? নর্মাল, হ্যাঁ। আরেকটু দাও, আরেকটু দাও। ব্যাস, ছেড়ে দাও। 10.64. Okay, so hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to the channel. And today it's 15th August 2020. A very happy Independence Day to all the viewers. And today we are out for a short ride. Destination is Mandarmani Sea Beach. And the plan for today is of a one-day trip, no staying. And also we are carrying our home cooked food, so we will try to avoid eating outside and crowded places. As we all know, the coronavirus cases are rising day by day, so we are taking some extra precautions while riding. So let's go. We just crossed Ulvedia and it's drizzling now. If the rain gets more intense, then we will have to take a break as we are not wearing our rain gears now. Okay, planned break was at Kolaghat, but rain forced an early break as we were not wearing our rain gears. Kolaghat is still 2 or 3 kilometers from here. Still not wearing the rain gears though, as the sky looks clear now. And we'll not stop at Kolaghat now and we'll move forward towards Mandarmani. Okay, so let's hit the road again. So we just left NH16 and took a left turn towards Nandakumar from Kolaghat. And this road is, as per Google Maps, it says Kolaghat Nandakumar Road. Condition of the road is really bad after Nandakumar, and we are riding on this kind of road for quite some time now. Don't know how long this condition of the road will continue. And the irony is, I saw a board there. It says that this is a national highway. This is the condition of a national highway. Oh my god. লাইট ড্রিজেল হচ্ছে, বেরিয়ে যাবি? So the rain forces us to wear the rain gears, but we enjoyed riding in the rain, just loved it. So we took the left turn from Chaulkhola Moor towards Mandarmani Sea Beach. We left Digha road from Chaulkhola Moor, and this road is, as per Google Maps, is Chaulkhola Mandarmani Road. And Mandarmani Sea Beach should not be more than 8 kilometers from here. So we have reached the sea beach. I can see a lot of changes since the last time I was here in 2013. A lot of beautification work has been done. So the time now is 12:35 p.m. and distance covered is approx 170 kilometers from home. Total time taken is around 3.5 hours, and we have such a lovely weather to enjoy here. The crowd is very much less than that of my expectation, but we saw a lot of tourist vehicles coming this side. I can see majority of the crowd is not wearing mask here, so we'll not take any chance and we'll try to find an isolated place to chill out for some time. ये क्या लग गया स्क्रीन के ऊपर? weather is getting intense and it started drizzling. It seems we are going to get good rain here. Just look at the build-up of the dark clouds. It's just getting more and more awesome. Time now is 4 p.m. and it's time to return. Hope you liked the video, and if you do, please do like, share and comment. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you all for being here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.